Hello, Nomad Sculpt, and this is part 5 of the Wagon video tutorial. So let's start. So back on the object. So I think I do the windows today or now. So let's start here. This is the Windows mesh. So I start with a not a trim, with a split. So line tool, hole filling. So I split it here. One time, two times. So this is this and this. Okay. So I join this. Sorry, I have to undo. I make a clone of this mesh here. So, and I split it again. Maybe I need it again. So join. I bring it to the top. So now we need this one also to the top. So let's create a window frame. Such a, yeah, it's a little bit a curvy thing. So our windows are a little bit smaller, but okay, it works. So path, draw a straight line, closed option. So I maybe a little bit smaller. Yeah, it works. We need a profile, topology only 4, and the Y division a little bit more. So I clone this object and I bring it here. So let's adjust the points. Yeah, it looks fine. So validate, and this one validate. So 2 window frames. So what's the next thing here? I think I insert a box. Insert tool, box. So topology 0. And I think we validate this object. So where is my smaller box? So I adjust the pivot. Pivot is okay. Like this. I have not solo lock. Okay. So what's the next thing here? Align. Place it here. So I adjust the pivot. And we need here the green direction in this direction. So let's add a array. So like this here, and the count maybe like this. Clone the box out of array. So 1, 2. So now I think I can put it back in the array, and we got our mesh here. So smaller, and this one also a little bit smaller. So validate the array and join the children. So this is our array, and this one here, this is our tube. So we need a clone of the tube and a clone of the array. So we hide the tube, select the array and the tube, and boolean the whole thing. Boolean, boolean. So let's see the solo view. So let's select not the select tool. So we have to cell mask it. So with a lasso, so I think this one, we need only this part, mask. And so with a shell thickness of 0, we can extract it. So I think this is here in solo view, this is the mesh. This one we don't need anymore, delete. So okay, let's move this to the side. And we use it for this one. And this mesh here I hide at the moment. And the array I make visible. So let's create a clone. And we need the tube, the array, and a clone of the tube. So one tube we can hide, the other mesh, not this one, this one. And this one we hide. Boolean, boolean. Solo view. Extract. So on this mesh we can delete. Our tube we can make visible. And the array, we don't need it anymore. Delete. So, wireframe off. So I think smooth shading off. Let's see the post-processing. Yeah, it looks nice. So I think we can join these here. This is window back, window or small, and this one and this one join window big. So these two parts here I bring back in the sides group node. And for this here I add a mirror. Correct. So now we have these meshes here. So what is this? I bring it back here and I hide this. So okay, and these are the planks here. What happens if we separate? Yeah. Okay. We need the pinch tool. Pinch, 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 pinch. So mask. Let's join everything. Join it. Oh. Join. And now mask. Now we can extract. Oh, it's too big, I think. Yeah, it's okay. This one is the mask we can delete. I bring it back in the sides thing. So yeah, it's a lot of detail work. So but it's okay. let's look at the reference. So yeah, here's a little bit of difference in, yeah, it works. So let's bring back the reference. So I think it's enough for this video. So let's have fun with sculpting, and ciao.